All right, here's the 63 Alfa Romeo 1600 Giulia Spider 101 series, and in the middle of swapping out the thermostat. There's the thermostat gauge. It was literally burying the needle here. It was literally burying the needle at the top at 12 o'clock. After maybe 5-10 minutes of driving. So it never did any damage, but anyway, this is where it goes. So to get this off, there's the hose. You have to take the top of the carb off so you can lift it and slide that out. And then I like using little jars, put all the nuts and bolts in there so they don't get lost. And the original was a Wahl, W-A-H-L, West Germany. This very well might be the original. You know, I'd say there's probably 200,000 miles on this. But, you know, I mean, it looks pretty nice. You know, I pulled them out of Nissans that look like just completely worn out. But that's the Wahl. And this is a Gates that I got on YouTube or eBay for $10. And they look to be similar. And yeah, so hopefully that works, and hopefully that solves my overheating problem. And Gates, that's it. So I couldn't find this guy anywhere for sale, this Wahl. So anyway, it should be pretty simple.